Okay, getting ready to do a load of laundry. Well, actually, this is the initial run. I got some dirty jeans and a hoodie over there. This is my wash machine. Take the jeans and hoodie, throw them inside there. I'm gonna lock it up. Wrap this around. Hold on. It's kind of hard to do and hold the phone at the same time. Anyhow, I'm gonna wrap that around. There we go. Now I'm gonna wash them. And it's as simple as this. You just go back and forth several times. Can you hear it running? It has two, I don't know what they're called, things inside the washing machine that makes the clothes go, bounces them around. But anyhow, there's two of them in there. We're going to do this for a few seconds. Might have to put a better latch on the top of the door there. Anyhow, we'll do that. Take a look inside here, see what happens. Everything's still in there. Oh, look. Looks like see if the jeans got all the dirt off them. Well, most, yeah. They were muddy. Okay, well, look at the water. It's pretty dirty. All right. Well, I'm going to do a spin cycle now. But I'll show you the spin cycle after I get done.